Give it the old college try. Ugh. Dumb jeans are in the way. Literally just stepping up the rope. So I am setting up right foot here in my yard. I'm gonna do a, I think it's called a basil anchor. So I put in a homemade friction, I'm sorry, not friction, that's what I'm talking about. Put in a homemade friction saver, that's what it was. And I'm gonna do a, I believe it's called timber hitch. I'm gonna climb SRT with my new CMI and my homemade suckers. It's gotta be at least 7, that's plenty. I will go ahead and install a midline butterfly. See if I can remember how to do this. I saw this quick way of doing it online. Nope. Forget it. Anyhow. So the reason you do this is for rescues, if need be, and I'll back this up with a D-ring carabiner. All right, and we'll be back. Okay, we're back. I've got my butterfly backed up, locked. And we're gonna do a meet you can. Oh, this cool way of doing it online the other day. At least I think I did. Maybe not. This way. Nope. Never practice when you're on video. Always jack it up. All right. And good thing to check. Goodness. Check, 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 check your gear. All right. Cool. This is my rock climbing belt, so obviously it's not the best. I have a better belt that I use. Fumbling because I'm trying to go just a little fast, which speed is never the greatest. So before I get up, I'm going to make sure everything looks copacetic. There we go. I should keep it on there. Clip this bad boy chair. Actually, come through and then clip. I'm super excited to see how this CMI works. So there's a few things I'm testing today. I'm testing that friction saver, testing my CMI, which I'm excited about, and I'm testing my homemade socket. All right, everything looks good. Now we can actually give it the old college try. Ugh. Dumb jeans are in the way. Stand up. And again, with the weight on the rope, it really matters. Locked, and that one's locked. Not sure if you can see or not, but I need my chest harness to pull this up for me. All right, looking good so far. Wow, man, that CMI is awesome. Literally just stepping up the rope. It's pretty killer. Should be able to kick this off with my foot. For the instructions. There we are. And that friction saver with my hand stitched prusik is doing great. Holding tight. So nice. Off. So the only thing here is that we gotta unclip. Good deal. I'd clip it to my, actually I can. Well, never mind. All right, let's go down. And we're done. Not too shabby. Hope you guys enjoyed that. By the way, if you're ever climbing SRT, unlike your buddy Alex did, make sure that you always throw in a figure 8 at the end. Learned this from a guy. He's got a cool channel called Guilty of Treason, and so that you don't accidentally rappel off of your line. I've rappelled this before, so I knew the rope went, that I had enough rope, but that is definitely a plus. So homemade Saka. I'm gonna bring down that other piece. Okay, so I've got my friction saver up there, and to remove that, what we're gonna do is, by the way, getting the friction saver in the tree is quite a pain, but you're gonna make a knot in on the side that's got the big ring, which is this side, and theoretically speaking, this should come out. Otherwise, I'll be climbing up there to get my friction saver. And it should get lodged on the, there we go. Hand stitched with RTI or RIT, I think it's RTI Sterling. No issues, doubled up on a, this is Kernmantle from Westfall. This has, I think, a brake strength of 7,500 pounds, so it's doubled up, so we got 1,400 pounds. The ring on a loop here on this side, which is actually the rope doubled over, so no real stitching here that holds anything in place. And this bad boy. Cool, hope you learned something. Biggest takeaway is don't forget your knot at the end of your SRT line where you're rappelling from. Otherwise it might end in catastrophe, as it were. And that's it, show's over.